If you want to take a full-page screenshot of entire website like this, let me show you the easiest way to do it. So, open your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Click on three dots icon, hover over Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, select the Extensions tab. To achieve this, I'll be using GoFullPage extension, which lets you to capture an entire web page with just one click. Just search for GoFullPage, then select the one with camera icon. Click Add to Chrome, and then add extension to install it. Once extension has been added to Chrome, you'll see this welcome screen. To demonstrate how the extension works, I'll open Affinity website as an example. For easy access, click on this extensions icon, then pin GoFullPage to your browser. So, when you're on the page you want to capture, just click on this GoFullPage icon. This extension will begin capturing entire web page automatically. Just wait for the process to complete. When it's done, you'll land on this page where you can download your capture as either a PDF or a PNG file. For this tutorial, I'll go with PNG, then allow download action, and the image will be saved to your computer. Now, open image, and as you can see, the entire website has been captured in a single and high-quality screenshot with all the details. And that's how you can take a full-page screenshot of a website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.